Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Let's start off by taking a look at what happened during the course of Sunday, and it was a mostly clear day for much of the country with a bit of cirrus cloud that was passing overhead for Gauteng and some of the surrounding areas. But to the north of that, there were still a few thunder showers that developed in the far northern parts of Limpopo. A couple of cold fronts are pushing up from further south, and the first one is just brushing along the Western Cape coastline, and a couple of showers have started to move in over that area in the afternoon. We're expecting wet weather along parts of South Africa's coastline. Down in the south, mainly due to the cold front, while an onshore flow along the eastern coastline will keep KwaZulu-Natal cloudy, cool and wet once again. Those conditions are going to spread northwards later on in the day towards the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment areas, while over the interior it's going to be a cold morning, especially for the high-lying areas, and in the afternoon it's going to be sunny, warm and dry. KwaZulu-Natal is going to be mostly cloudy and mild, although it is going to be cool to cold for the southern interior. Light rain possible for many areas in the province, and we're going to see very similar conditions as we head across the border into the Eastern Cape. Showers likely across most of the interior in the morning, but it will be dry for Graaff-Reinet as well as Aliwal North. Showers at first pushing in along the southern coastline. It's going to be a mild day over this area. Temperatures in the lower 20s. We could see a bit of light rain into the Little Karoo as well. Along the Atlantic seaboard, on the other hand, it's going to be a dry but windy afternoon. Temperatures will reach the mid-20s for most places. A clear day for the Northern Cape, as I've mentioned. Cold at first, especially for the southern high ground, where temperatures will drop below 10 degrees overnight. A warm afternoon awaits the Free State, although you'll certainly be feeling autumn over the province at first, as some places are going to be very cold. Bethlehem drops down to 6 degrees, your minimum temperature. A warm to hot afternoon for the northwest under sunny conditions once again, and over Limpopo it will be partly cloudy, and there is still a possibility for a few showers and thunder showers over the eastern parts. Later on it will become cloudy over those areas. Becoming cloudy and wet as well for eastern and Mpumalanga, with light rain settling in across the escarpments by later on in the evening, and it's going to be a dry day for Gauteng once again, a little bit cooler than it was on Sunday, although we're still expecting it to be a lovely afternoon across the province. Southwesterly winds dominate through the central parts of the country as well as along the eastern coastline, and much lighter winds are in the forecast for Port Elizabeth. Tuesday is going to be partly cloudy in the northern parts. There could be a few thunder showers for Mahikeng, a maximum temperature of 32 degrees. And by Wednesday, a few thunderstorms spread into the central interior, and it's going to be dry across the coastline. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.